Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set smart lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and here select smart lock. First draw current pattern for authentication. This is current pattern now, and here you will see three options: on body detection, trusted places, trusted devices. On body detection means if you have your phone in your hand or in your pocket or wherever on your body, you don't need to every time unlock your phone. It will stay unlocked until you have your phone yourself. Okay. Then trusted places means in particular places, if you set that place, at those places your phone will be automatically unlocked. You don't need to unlock your phone by drawing the pattern. Okay, it will not ask you. Then third one is trusted devices, that is you can pair some devices with your phone, and if those devices nearby you and if it is connected to those devices, then during those times you don't need to unlock your phone with your pattern lock. It will stay unlocked. These are all the three types of smart lock. Let's see one by one. First one is on body detection. Use on body detection and turn on this button, and keep in mind that on body detection cannot distinguish between you and someone else. If someone else takes your device when it is unlocked, they might be able to access it. Okay, so this is the warning. Read it and use. Now see here, it's on my hand and I lock my phone. To unlock it is not needed. It's still not activated. See here, it will be activated soon. Yes, it is activated. See here, I lock my phone, but it's in my hand. I just swipe up to enter into my phone. It is not asking my pattern because it is in smart lock. Okay, so I have set on body detection. That is the first option. Then next one, second one we will see now. Again go to the settings and go to lock screen and go to smart lock, and to set you need to authenticate with your pattern. Okay, then click on trusted places, and here you can add some place. Click on add trusted place, and it will give your current location, or otherwise you can search a location and set here. You can add multiple location too. Okay, here see here. So in this way you can add more places. So at those particular places, if you are going with your phone will not ask you the pattern to unlock. Okay, that's the second one. And third one is again I would like to set here. Again I go to smart lock and authenticate with my pattern. And third one is trusted devices. Add trusted devices. Click on add trusted devices and pair new device. Okay, as of now I don't have any nearby device like Bluetooth device, Bluetooth watch, clock or headset, etc. I don't have as of now. If you have that, just pair like Bluetooth connection, and if during those connection your phone will stay unlocked. Okay, so these three methods you can use smart lock, and you don't need to every time put unlocking password to enter into your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.